Hi, this is just a quick video to show you how to remove the rear bumper on the Boxster 986. So the first thing we need to do is raise the spoiler from inside the car. So with the spoiler in the upright position, extended position, you can see this is an early car, pre-facelift car, so up to 2003 where they change over. This has got little plastic rivets which hold the spoiler cover onto the actual frame itself. So we need to poke these out. They normally need replacing because they break off when you get them out. And quite often, as you can see with this one, they are actually missing already. So pop them off with a screwdriver or a tack puller, and then once you've done that, it's very easy then to just grab hold of the spoiler and just literally peel it backwards and lift it off, because you've got some small tags on the inside. I can just show you one here. You've got little tags here that fit over the back edge of the spoiler and they hook under like so. Same on the facelift cars, 2003, 2004, only they don't have the rivets in them, the plastic rivets. So on the facelift cars, the front edge of the spoiler goes over the front first, and then it's pulled over and then it clips in at the back, like so. So when you're removing the facelift one, you lift from the back, lift the cover up, and then tip it forward, so the reverse action. So with the cover off, then we go down through these holes. You can see the 3 holes in the back of the spoiler. So we've got a 5mm Allen key down in there, and then we're going to undo those. They're normally quite tight, they go with a bang, left and right, both sides. We're going to undo those, and then we're going to take off the bumper cover itself. Now we've got the spoiler removed, we can see the fixings here for the rear bumper cover. Not the normal fixing, it's obviously been apart before. There should be Phillips screws in here in 3 positions. 1, 2 and 3, just self-tapping screws, and you can see this one's a bit out of line anyway, so someone struggled to have this off before. So what we do is remove the 3 screws holding the top edge on. I'd suggest leaving the middle one in, which will become obvious for reasons in a moment. Once you've got the other ones out, then around the side of the car on both sides, if you look up under the wheel arch, there's a 10mm headed bolt here. Again, this is sometimes a torque screw, depending on if it's been replaced or not and the age of the vehicle. So you're looking for 1 vertical screw here, same on both sides. So once we've got that one out, we then go to the bottom of the car, and if you look under the car, you'll see there's a selection of screws under the bottom of the bumper. 2 on each corner, one there, just behind the wheel arch, and then over in the middle of the bumper, you can see again this one's been off before. There should be self-tapping screws that hold the bumper to the heat shield inside, so they're missing. I'll just show you on another bumper. So this is the setup we have. So there's normally screws in here in the bottom edge on both sides, and they screw into the aluminium heat shield which goes into the floor. So quite often they're missing because as you can see, these have been cut out before with an angle grinder by the looks of it, so they do rust in and they're very hard to get out sometimes. So once you've got those 4 screws out, take the 2 screws out of each heat shield cover, take the screws out of the wheel arches, and then we can lift the bumper cover off.